Christopher Eric Hitchens was a British journalist and author of 18 books on faith, culture, politics, and literature. Has this to say about the Zionist-Israeli claim on Palestine and the Holy Land?
Actually, and this was where I began to feel seriously uncomfortable, some such divine claim underlay not just the occupation, but the whole idea of a separate state for Jews in Palestine. Take away the divine warrant for the Holy Land, and where were you? And what were you? Just another land thief, like the Turks or the British, except that in this case, you wanted the land without the people. And the original Zionist slogan, a land without a people for a people without a land, disclosed its own negation when I saw the densely populated Arab towns dwelling sullenly under Jewish tutelage. You want irony? How about Jews becoming colonizers at just the moment when other Europeans had given up on the idea?